Hey everybody, this is Nick with Agent Elite. Today we have a tutorial on our newest feature to the customizer, which will be the blog section. This gives an easy way for your customers to see your most recent blog post straight from the home page. So the easiest way to do this is first you're going to want to log into the dashboard. You can get here by scrolling to the very bottom of your website and clicking login, or you can always add WP admin to the end of the URL. So first on the dashboard, go ahead and click on Customize Theme right here. So once this loads up, you'll see your customizer on the left-hand side and the website on the right side. So for this to work, the first thing you're gonna want to do is go to the front page. Then you're gonna click General Options, and then you should see the order of the front page on the left-hand side. So if you're on an older site, you won't see the blog section just yet. You're gonna have to lose your current order, unfortunately. So the best way to keep this is either write it down or just take a screenshot or something of what the order you have it as now. And then you'll hit reset to default. Now that you've reset that, you'll see that the blog section is there. So instead of ordering it right now, I'll just go ahead and scroll down to that blog section. We're just going to leave that there. And this is the layout it looks like on this website. Now if you want to change that layout, you can easily do that by just going to the front page and then going to blog section, and then so you can do a different title if you would like. If you have a special name for it, you can change the colors, and then if you want to change the exact theme of it, you can go to choose design layouts and then go to blog layout, and then you have two different options to choose from. So there you are. And keep in mind, if you have your images set for the blog post, they will show on the layout as well. These are just mock posts that we used for the video. Thank you again for watching our latest tutorial. Keep in mind that if you are not comfortable with doing this on your own, we would be happy to do it for you. You can reach out to us at Agent Elite Inc. or at Agent Elite, or you can also email us at support@agentelite.com or phone in. Thank you again for watching. You all have a nice day.